Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.0 on AlmaLinux OS 10. Okay, first to open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is PostgreSQL 18. Click on download or download, both are same. Then click on Linux, then select the Red Hat, Rocky or AlmaLinux. See here, PostgreSQL M repository currently supports RHEL, Rocky, Alma and Fedora. Then select the versions. See here, we have the versions from 13 to 18. Select the latest one, then select the operating system. I am on AlmaLinux 10, so select 10. If you are on 9, select 9. If you are on 8, select 8. Okay, select 10. See, once you selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed, and also we have to select the architecture. Now we have to run these commands one by one to install PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay, so copy this command. This will install repository RPM. So open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Now disable if there are any built-in PostgreSQL Server modules. Please run Ctrl A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 18-server. If you want to install 17, just give 17. Okay. So I am going to install latest one. So give version number -server, hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 18 and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Again type A and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. If you don't give the version number, it won't work. So we have to give version number. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed, but it is disabled. Okay, and it is not started. Go to quit, Ctrl A. Before starting, we have to initialize the database. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. Now start and enable the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL -18. Now start it. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. See, PostgreSQL Server is enabled and it is active and running. And also see here the PAT is for the PostgreSQL services. This is for data directory, logger, IO worker, checkpointer, background writer, all writer, auto vacuum launcher and logical replication. Q to quit, Ctrl A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, you have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18.0. Ctrl A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for Postgres user, which is the super user. So first verify list of users /du. The commands that starts with / are called as meta commands in PostgreSQL Server. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. You can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then set the password. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify list of databases. See, these are the default databases. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg underscore database. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Control it. Now create database. Create. See, we have created database, and this is the one of the database. Now switch to this database by using \c or connect. Then provide the name of the database. Both \c or connect are same. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables in this database. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create. See, we have created table customer in public schema. This is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, control it. Now we will create user. See, we have created user David. Okay, now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL Server with this user. To exit, we have to use the \q. PSQL -HH means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL Server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then username is David. -d means database, Postgres. Then provide the password. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server. Okay, now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database. See, now we are connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this bank database. See, permission enable for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18.0 on AlmaLinux. Okay, so can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit from this user. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -18. If you don't give the version number, it won't work. See, service not found. -18 sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. See, PostgreSQL Server is inactive or dead. Q2kit. Control A. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. So exit from the current session, current user. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running. Q2kit. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is restarted 2 seconds ago. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server and find the config file locations, data and log directory locations. Sudo su-postgres PSQL select config underscore file. It is not select, it is show hba underscore file hba. See, these both are in the same directory. PostgreSQL.conf file contains PostgreSQL Server level configuration parameters, and hba file, hba means host-based authentication file, host-based authentication. This file contains authentication rules. Now find the data directory. Show data underscore directory. See, all three are in the same directory. Okay, show log underscore directory. Okay, now exit. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin and dport. Those are the most popular tools. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on AlmaLinux. Okay, for more. So in this video we have seen how to install configure PostgreSQL server 18.0 on AlmaLinux 10. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.